please find a seat or lie down. One of the most powerful meditations that I've had the pleasure of learning and teaching is the oponopono meditation by Joe Vitale, Zero Limits. And as you sit tall and draw your shoulders up and back, anything that feels right with your hands. And one of the reasons that I often teach this one is because it's in English, and I work with primarily people speaking English as a first language. And that's a great place to start, something less scary than Sanskrit. And so as you sit tall, it's just 4 simple statements, and you can really see each presenter has a different idea or feeling about that. And so just let the statements flow before trying to use them in any particular way. And the 4 statements are: I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And just start to say them silently or out loud with me. I'm sorry, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, forgive me, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And just notice what's coming up for you. If those statements seem like they are towards you, from you, or is someone else coming up? Is someone coming up into your consciousness that they are to someone? Or are you feeling the from someone? All of it is right. It just depends on how you're feeling. And I've used this for great healing to further the healing process when I've been in pain or struggle or challenge with somebody. And I would go on long walks around a lake or in the park, or just sit like we're doing now, and I imagine that they're just sitting there in front of me, this difficult person, this person that has hurt me or is challenging me. And with total heart, I just say to them, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And I would say that until it would just disappear. It's not that I would stop talking on purpose, it would just be that the sound would kind of dim out. And I would know that something's been released and let go of. Or maybe there's work from you to you that you've self-abandoned and now you're trying to get back to a healthy relationship with yourself, from yourself. Realizing no one is going to come save you, but we are saving ourselves, doing the best we can. And so we just say those same words to ourselves. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I would let that help me feel more grounded, emptying out any of the burdens that I might be carrying, any shame, embarrassment, any of that, oh, I should have done better. But we're all doing the best we can. As you bring your hands back to your heart, I hope that this has been infinitely helpful and that you apply it. The way that meditation works is we can't intellectualize it. It's experiential. So I will see you tomorrow, and I'm going to post in here my other favorite way of the Ho'oponopono meditation, and that is singing with my favorite songstress and healer, Lindsay Wise. And she is actually coming to guest teach in my Alchemy of Yoga teacher training program here online in just about 20 minutes. So from my heart to your heart, to the heart of the universe, namaste.